welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Leanna. Today I'm going to be doing a really quick voiceover tutorial for this makeup look here. It was a look that I featured in two of my more recent videos, and a lot of you seem to like it, and I really liked it too, so I thought I would just do a tutorial for it because I have some free time. I always have some free time, so if you want to see a tutorial for this look, then just stick around and we'll get right into it. I'm starting with Igneous Cosmetics Taaffeite through the crease and transition area on a fluffy brush from Wet n Wild. This color is a shimmery duochrome, and it's sort of a cool toned taupe with a blue shift. Then I'm taking that same shade on a Real Techniques small shader brush and packing it all over the lid. I'm using whatever is left on the brush to deepen the crease a bit, and then I'm taking my very small Sigma E36 blending brush to diffuse the edges. I'm also using that brush to run Taaffeite along the lower lash line. I'm taking the Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in Emme. This is an iridescent blue-purple duochrome, and I'm just using my ring finger to tap that onto the inner half of each lid. For the inner corner, I'm taking Crystalline by Clionadh Cosmetics on a small brush. This is a blue-purple aqua shimmer. To bring out a little bit more glitter reflect, I'm layering on Siren Noir Cosmetics Sparklemotion, which is just a bit more sheer and purple, and I'm also going to be putting that on my brow bone. I'm using the NYX Epic Ink Eyeliner to draw a wing on each eye. To finish the eye look, I'll be using a single coat of the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. And this is what the eyes look like. For blush, I'm taking the pure Anada Pressed Cheek color in Dahlia, which is a cool toned rose. To highlight my cheekbones, I'm using Cream Pearl by Emme Cosmetics, which is a white with the tiniest bit of pink on my skin tone. It's highly reflective and I love it. Lastly, for lips, I'm using the NYX Matte Lipstick in Up the Base, which is a cool toned purple gray. And this is the finished look. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little tutorial featuring lots of very cool toned purples and lots of indie makeup. That's really cool whenever I can fit in more indie makeup. I'm going to be doing I almost dropped it. I'm going to be doing a 5 looks 1 palette featuring the Hasina 2 palette very soon, so stay tuned for that. Otherwise, I hope you enjoyed this video. I post Mondays and Fridays here on this channel in the afternoons Eastern time, and I hope to see you soon. Bye everyone.